guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am filming in the night time today because I was just scrolling through the reels and I was like, I need to make a video so badly. I was in the mood, so I thought just switch on the camera, put on the lenses and just start the video. फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्या वीडियो बनाऊं. Then I just started scrolling my comments on YouTube and I was like, let me see what my subscribers want to see. There were so many requests for beginner friendly makeup and makeup starter kit. In real life, I do love no makeup look. Like if I'm going out with my friends or if I'm going on dinner with my family or anywhere on a movie or something like that, I love doing no makeup look. I think I'm explaining this for the 5th, 6th time on my channel that I love creative makeup or heavy duty makeup or full coverage makeup while I'm filming videos, because I love to create new looks and play with the makeup. Basically that is the whole point, is playing with new makeup and trying out stuff. I just love doing that. Today I'm going to share with you how I do my no makeup or my very minimal makeup look, and this will be best for the viewers who are beginners in makeup or who don't know what makeup actually is and where to start from, what to buy, what brands should they use. In case you don't love the results in the first time, I'm sure if you'll keep practicing, you will get there. You will get the hang of it. It's not that difficult. Also, I will be sharing with you a beginner starter kit. If you're a beginner and you don't know what should I buy, what should you look for, what brand should you get, I think this is the perfect video you stopped by. And I'm going to share with you all drugstore products. They are not expensive, not that expensive I would say, but they are good quality products that you should definitely put your money in. Without wasting any more time, let's just get started. Right, so now we know that we are making a makeup starter kit for ourselves, for the beginners. That means we are making our own personal kit here, like according to our preference, according to our skin type, according to our skin color. But let me tell you one thing, never ever get in the scam of these makeup kits right here. Oh my god, these are a scam, you guys. That if you're a beginner, you will definitely go towards that because that is much more easier option for you, because उसमें eyeshadow है, blush है, contour है, highlighter है, foundation भी हो सकता है, concealer भी हो सकता है. You never know anything. I think lipstick का भी कुछ होता है उसमें, because I got that kit for myself too, but it's of no use. If you're a beginner, you don't need palettes, not eyeshadow palette, like face palettes. You just need one particular thing for one step of makeup, which for example, you're getting a foundation. You need one foundation, you need one primer, you need one blush, the color that suits your skin type. You just need one of each step, right? You don't need palettes. Palettes are basically for makeup artists who work on different skin types, different skin colors and different people, and it makes sense because a palette has different colors, different tones of contour, blush and highlighter, so that's why it's like useful for them. But if you're an individual and you are doing makeup for yourself, and even if अगर आपको rose makeup पे जाना करना है, you just need one or max to max two products for a particular step. So I will be sharing that. Now it doesn't matter if you are an oily skin girl or you are a dry skin or combination, you need to prime your face, and you can get 3 primers. Primers में आता है moisturizer. Moisturizing is not actually a primer, it's skincare, but you need a moisturizer, and put a generous amount of moisturizer underneath your makeup. It will make your makeup look very dewy, glowy, and it will not make you look dry. A primer which can be an illuminating primer, or for dry skin people it can be a illuminating primer. And the third one is a pore filling primer, which can minimize the size of your pores. Now that is needed by dry skin and oily skin as well, but the pore minimizing primer usually controls the oils also. So yes, you need these 3 things for the starters. Now I am an oily skin girl, but I still use illuminating primer when I'm going out in public, or even if I'm doing a no makeup look for some event or anything like that. So I definitely use it. अगर मैं थोड़े amount में भी use करूँ, but मैं use definitely करती हूँ because it makes your base look ग्लोई, बट आपको फिर अपने बेस को बहुत अच्छे से पाउडर से सेट करना पड़ेगा इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन टू. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द कैल इंस्टा बीम इल्यूमिनेटिंग प्राइमर ऑयल. वैसे विंटर्स में व्हेन आई हैव ड्राई स्किन आई यूज़ 2 pumps ऑफ दिस, बट टुडे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़ 1 pump. That's it. So I'm just gonna warm that up in between my palms and then apply that. You see how it instantly makes my skin more dewy. So I hope you'll get your moisturizer on Nykaa. Just type moisturizer and it will give you the top selling moisturizers. You can get any for your according to your skin type. But the illuminating primer, I haven't really tried any other from apart from this, which I really like. I have tried other illuminating primers for sure, but I haven't like loved any apart from this. You can see I'm halfway there. Yeah, but it is a little expensive, but I think if you're making a kit for yourself and you're going to use it every single day, even just when you're going out, I think you need good quality products that work good for your skin tone. You just don't need to look for affordable products and just, you know, I feel that way. So I'll recommend this one to you. It's also long lasting. I'm using it since like months now. So moisturizer, first step. Illuminating primer, second product. Now for the third step that I taught you, which is a pore filling primer. Again, I'm using the Cal pore filling primer, but there's always a but. There are hundreds of pore filling primers in the market. I'm gonna give you some options right now. So I'm gonna give you few affordable options that you can get, because this one's not that affordable. This one's a little expensive. I think it crosses rupees 1000. So I'm gonna give you some options right now. The PAC pore primer is really good. The Nykaa Prep Me Up primer actually minimizes your pores. I've seen difference. The Cal one is really good that I'm gonna use right now. I'm actually gonna take 2 pumps of this because, as I told you, I have oily skin. I need to keep my oils in place, okay? I start with this area because I have pores here. So I absolutely love how this primer minimizes the size of my pores. Alright, so the last thing that comes in prepping is a lip balm. Now you can go with any lip balm of your choice. You guys know me that I always do my makeup, my eye makeup before doing my base, but in real life, you guys, I do that while filming my videos. But in real life, I start with my base makeup because eyes पे कुछ ज़्यादा काम नहीं होता है. I just like to enhance my eyes and that is about it. So also last video में जो मैंने beauty room tour, if you haven't watched it, I'll link it here or here. Just go and watch it. Even in the description, link will be there. So go and watch it. You guys loved the look of mine. I mean, that is the look that I'm doing today. Alright, so you definitely need a foundation in the makeup beginner kit, but you can also go with BB cream or CC cream. But I personally don't prefer BB or CC cream. I don't know, I just don't like I just don't like BBCC, like the idea behind it, because you can actually take your foundation if you want very less coverage, like just a tint of coverage. Just mix your foundation with your moisturizer and you'll be good to go, okay? But I am gonna use foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation because this is like my exact shade, a little dark, like I think it's 1 shade dark for my skin, but I think that's the best I have right now. But I'll just share other options for you if you're a beginner. So as other options, I'll suggest you Maybelline Fit Me. Of course, it's an OG. I'm just going to use this much foundation and I'm gonna dot it, and I'll just give you the suggestions कि आप और कौन से foundations use कर सकते हो, right? The other foundation that I really like is Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. You can get all of these products on Nykaa. The only thing with that foundation is that I don't have my shade in that, and I highly, if you're like getting a makeup kit for yourself, I will highly recommend you to get base products at least from the store and not online, because if you're a beginner, you don't know your shade names, right? So did you guys notice I did not apply anything under the eyes because I want very less coverage right now, and I am just applying it on the outer area of my face to just even out the skin. Alright, now let's move on to the concealer. Now for the concealer, I will recommend you to get your shade, one shade that is just your skin tone, the correct shade, and one shade lighter than your skin tone, or for the brightening effect. I'll show you. I'm just using the PAC Take Cover Concealer. It's like exactly my skin tone, so I really like it. And just blend it out. Now blending is the key here. You just need to dab the product in. Do not swipe. अगर आप स्वाइप करोगे तो उससे क्या होगा, आपका कंसीलर फैल जाएगा, लाइक उतर ही जाएगा एक तरह से. You just need to dab the product into your skin and just blend that out. So there we go, the concealer and the foundation. The next thing that I want to teach you is the blush, contour and highlighter. There are two steps that you can go forward with: cream और पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स का ये होता है कि अगर आप ब्लश कर रहे हो पाउडर तो वो बहुत जल्दी फेड हो जाएगा, एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग वी डोंट वांट. वी वांट आवर मेकअप टू बी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई पर्सनली डू इज़ दैट आई यूज़ लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट्स फर्स्ट एंड देन आई टॉप इट ऑफ विद द पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स. आई नो इट्स लिटिल complicated, but even if you're a beginner, you will learn it, you will get the hang of it. It's not difficult. So for the blusher, I'm going to use this Dear Darling tint. It's not a cream, but it's like a liquid form of product that I'm talking about. So I'm just going to apply this directly on my face. I don't use it on anybody, so I'm just gonna, it dries out really quickly. I'm just gonna blend this out. You see how natural it looks? I love it. I also like to apply a little bit on my chin. तो अभी मैं ब्राइटनिंग कंसीलर नहीं यूज़ करूँगी बिकॉज आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे अदरवाइज. कितने प्रोडक्ट्स, इतने स्टेप्स, हाउ एम आई गोना लर्न ऑल ऑफ दिस? बिकॉज द अदर डे आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू माई फादर. आई गेव हिम अ स्किन केयर किट. आई वॉज लाइक ओके गो अहेड एंड यूज दिस डे एंड नाइट, एंड ही वॉज लाइक मैं नंबर लिख लूँ इस बॉटल पे? लाइक देयर आर लाइक लिटरली 4 steps: फेस वॉश, टोनर, मॉइस्चराइजर, like serum, moisturizer, and he could not learn that. और moisturizer के बाद sunscreen भी होता है, but anyways he could not learn that. He was like मैं नंबर लिख लूँ बॉटल पे. I know it can get really intimidating and very difficult, but I'm sure if you practice every day you will get the hang of it. हमारा हाफ बेस जो है वो रेडी हो चुका है. अब हम लेंगे पाउडर टू सेट आवर फेस. यू डोंट नीड टू सेट द एंटायर फेस, जस्ट जहाँ जहाँ आपने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया है वहाँ सेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज दोज आर द प्लेसेस दैट आर गोइंग टू क्रीज क्या होता है? जो आपकी लाइंस हो जाती हैं, लाइंस आ जाती हैं अंडर आइज पे, स्माइल लाइंस पे, उनको कवर करने के लिए यू नीड टू यूज़ द पाउडर. And I think brushes के लिए I'll make another video because it is going to be such a long video otherwise. What you need to do is just get rid of the creases that you already have. Look up and get the creases out of your way. Set your under eyes directly. If you are oily skin, अपना T-zone को तो ज़रूर सेट करो because that is the area that gets shiny सबसे पहले. And your nose, set your nose like crazy person, and then your smile lines. Just get rid of the powder that is still sitting there. तो अभी तक जो मैंने आपको स्टेप्स सिखाए हैं उसमें से आप क्या क्या स्किप कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आई नो ये मेकअप भी कई लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप है. बट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यूज़ लेस अमाउंट इन ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई यूज्ड. You can skip the foundation. You can just go ahead with the concealer of your shade and just spot conceal, do your under eyes, and you're good to go. Just make sure you're setting the concealer in place with a loose powder. I prefer loose powders because they keep the oils in place for a longer period of time, and this is definitely my favorite powder. I use it in like every video. You can also skip the cream blush, the liquid blush that I use, and just go ahead with the powder blush directly. But if you want to make your makeup long lasting, you kind of have to do both. It will help you make your makeup long lasting. Alright, so the other thing that I want to share with you is that जब आप अपने पाउडर से सेट कर लिया अपने फेस को, उसके बाद आप कोई भी क्रीम प्रोडक्ट या लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट अपने फेस पे मत यूज़ कीजिए। उससे क्या होगा, आपका बेस जो होगा अंडरनीथ वो हिल जाएगा, वो इधर उधर हो जाएगा, फैल भी सकता है। तो डू नॉट यूज़ एनी लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर बेस आफ्टर दैट। ऑलराइट, सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज गोइंग टू बी द पाउडर ब्लश, एंड you can set your liquid or cream blush with the powder blush, and it will make your blush, oh my god, long lasting. So I'm applying like a lot of blusher because I know it is going to fade away in some time. If you think the blush is too much as it is right now, just take your beauty blender and just blend it out. Anyways, it's gonna fade away super early. It's kind of makeup look that you can do for events basically, like if it's your birthday, if you're going to a wedding, if you are going on a date with your partner. I'm just telling you the steps and the kit that you need for the events that are coming, and you don't know how to do makeup, just watch this video, get these products, do this makeup look, and you're good to go. Just learn something yourself, yeah. So for the powder blush, I use my recently very favorite Faces Canada Perfect Blush. Alright, so the next very important thing that most of the people don't do, the starters, the beginners, is their eyebrows. Girl, if you're not doing your eyebrows, start doing it. You can use a brown eyeshadow, you can use you can mix your brown or black eyeshadow. Just go ahead with the brown. I think black will be too much. अगर आपको अपने eyebrows करने आ गए अच्छी तरह, जो मुझे भी नहीं आए अभी तक, it can change your makeup game, girl. I'm just filling in the spare areas of my eyebrows. So this pencil is pretty pigmented, so I just like to fill the eyebrows in. और starting में तो मैं use भी नहीं करती हूँ. I just take the spoolie in the end of this and blend this to the start, and that is about it. You can see the difference. I like messy eyebrows a lot, so I like to do it this way and not the proper arch. So the eyebrow pencil that I'm using is from Color Bar. So this eyeshadow pencil is really pigmented. I don't think it's good for beginners, so you can go ahead with the Lakme Micro Brow Perfector. I love that eyeshadow pencil. It's very precise and you can clean it up very easily. So yes, this is the eyebrow pencil in my makeup starter kit. I just told you not to use any liquid product upon your powdered or set base, and I forgot, but do it underneath your powdered or set face. Do not go ahead and do what I'm doing right now. This is the illuminating primer from Sugar, and if you want a powder highlighter, you can go ahead with the Maybelline Master Chrome. It's my absolute favorite. It's my all-time favorite. Next step, I'm gonna do my lips because I feel like I need lips right now. So I'm gonna use my absolute favorite. Like, I'm like really digging this product. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Stain from Color Bar, and it is in the shade Hot Latte. It's my favorite. See how pretty that shade is. So the last bit are the eyes. For the eyes, you just need a neutral palette, and if you're into colors or pop of colors, you can get this palette that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and it has all the neutral colors and all the colorful colors that you need. And you can see this is such a pretty palette. I love it. The pigmentation, the payoff is also very pretty. It has the right amount of transition shades, mattes and shimmers, and also some colors in there, which I think is really good. For the eyeshadow, I think this is the must have. This is a blending brush which you need for your transition. You can do like a lot of things with this. You can even highlight your face with this, your nose, your chin. And today I'm gonna do it's not even a neutral eye look, it's just putting shadow in your eyes, like just contouring your eyes, and that is about it. I'm just going to use this brown eyeshadow. I don't know why it does not look brown on the camera, but I'm just going to use this. How I personally apply such shadows is by opening my eyes. I never close my eye and apply the shadow because I know अगर मैं आंख बंद करके eyeshadow apply कर रही हूँ, मैं खोलूँगी तो मुझे दिखेगा भी नहीं कि eyeshadow कहाँ है. You can apply the shadow while your eye is open so that you can see कि मुझे कहाँ apply करना है. I really like this motion. You can also go with this motion. These are like perfectly pigmented for beginners. I think it's not too much, it's not too less. मतलब अगर आप इसके साथ आप overboard नहीं जा सकते हो, right? That is what I love about these shadows, and these are like best for beginners, I believe. I'm literally using one shade all over and applying it under the eyes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a denser brush. It's not like super blend, like super fluffy. It's very dense, and I'm going to take the same shade on that brush and apply that on the lid. So the color is going to be more opaque. And if you want to make it like a wedding glam or something like that, just use one shimmer shade and just put that on your eyelid and you're good to go. Just blend the shadows until you're satisfied with it. And now the last, I think the second last part is mascara. Now I'm going to share my favorite, my absolute favorite mascara at the moment, which is the Lash of Titans Volumizing Mascara. And I'm just going to apply it on the top lashes, not the bottom ones. So this wand is extremely similar to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, but I think this one's better than that. That's a huge claim, but I feel it that way because it's easy to remove. The L'Oreal one is so difficult to remove. That's why I recommend this mascara, and this is like my current favorite one. You'll see why. Just trust me on this, get this mascara and you'll thank me later. So if you want, you can use the mascara on your bottom lashes also, but I don't personally do that while I'm going out because I think it looks good. I just take a black eyeliner, a black kajal, anything of that sort, and I just tight line the upper lashes. I did line it here, and yahan pe it's empty, so it just brings that line and, you know, definition for your eye. You can see it clearly now. I think I'm going to do the same on this eye as well. And if you want, you can touch up on your highlighter as well. And what you can do is just use a lighter shade or use a highlighter, as I told you, and just slightly highlight. And yes, we're done with the look, but once you're done, your mascara is dried, just use a setting spray. I'm using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Fixer, and use a lot of it. Like, you need to set, you need to lock your makeup in place. Do spray karke, it's not gonna work. Alright, so this is the final look. I know it can be a little too much for some people. You can definitely skip the steps that I told you. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next one.